The Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful tool for managing your time effectively, prioritizing tasks, and making better decisions about what to focus on in both your personal and professional life. Named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, the Matrix is designed to help you distinguish between what is urgent and what is important. Understanding this distinction can significantly boost your productivity and reduce stress. At its core, the Eisenhower Matrix categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. These categories allow you to decide what you should do immediately, what can be delegated to others, what can be postponed, and what can be completely eliminated. Let's break down how the matrix works in simple terms. Tasks that are both urgent and important should be your top priority. These are things that require your immediate attention because they directly impact your goals or responsibilities. For example, if you have a critical work deadline or a personal emergency, this falls into this category. You need to focus on these tasks first and tackle them right away. This category represents tasks that are important for your long-term goals but don't necessarily need to be done immediately. These tasks contribute to your success and well-being but aren't pressing at the moment. Examples include planning, exercising, or investing time in personal development. To avoid these tasks becoming urgent in the future, you should schedule them into your daily or weekly routine and make sure they don't get neglected. These are tasks that demand immediate attention but don't necessarily contribute much to your long-term goals. They are often distractions or interruptions that take up time without adding significant value. For instance, responding to non-critical emails, attending unnecessary meetings, or handling tasks that others could easily do. The best approach here is to delegate these tasks whenever possible, freeing up your time for more important activities. Tasks in this category are neither urgent nor important, meaning they don't deserve your time or attention. These are usually time wasters, such as excessive social media scrolling, binge-watching TV shows, or engaging in unproductive conversations. Eliminating or reducing time spent on these activities can help you focus on what really matters. Learning to say no to tasks in this quadrant can lead to increased efficiency and more time for meaningful activities. The strength of the Eisenhower Matrix lies in its simplicity. It forces you to be mindful about how you spend your time and encourages you to focus on tasks that bring long-term benefits, rather than getting caught up in urgent but less important matters. By using the matrix regularly, you develop better habits in managing your day, making your work more meaningful, and achieving a balanced life. Many people struggle with time management because they react to the urgency of tasks rather than their importance. This matrix helps you step back, analyze your workload, and make informed choices about what truly needs your attention. Over time, this method can reduce stress, as you're no longer constantly firefighting urgent tasks but are instead proactively addressing important ones. To put this tool into practice, start by writing down all the tasks you have on your plate. Then, sort them into the 4 quadrants: what is urgent and important? What is important but not urgent? What is urgent but not important? What is neither urgent nor important? Once you've organized your tasks, tackle them accordingly, handle urgent and important tasks immediately. Schedule important but not urgent tasks into your calendar, delegate urgent but not important tasks to others if possible, eliminate or minimize time spent on tasks that are neither urgent nor important. By regularly reviewing and updating your Eisenhower Matrix, you'll become more intentional with your time and better at setting priorities. You'll also find that you spend less time on distractions and more time on tasks that align with your goals. The Eisenhower Matrix isn't just for work, it can be applied to all areas of your life. Whether you're managing household chores, planning personal projects, or balancing social commitments, this tool helps you clarify what matters most. For instance, when planning a family vacation, booking flights and accommodations might be urgent and important, while deciding on minor activities may be important but not urgent. In your personal life, applying the matrix can help you focus on your health, relationships, and personal growth, rather than getting bogged down by daily distractions. It encourages you to make time for activities that are truly important, such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or working on long-term goals. The Eisenhower Matrix provides a clear structure for organizing tasks, which helps reduce confusion and overwhelm. By categorizing tasks, you make more informed decisions about how to allocate your time. Focusing on important tasks leads to better results and greater accomplishments in both work and life. The matrix helps you manage your workload more effectively, reducing the stress that comes with last-minute pressures. By eliminating or delegating unimportant tasks, you free up more time for high-value activities. In summary, the Eisenhower Matrix is a simple yet highly effective tool for prioritizing tasks and managing your time. By focusing on what is important and reducing the impact of distractions, you can become more productive and achieve your goals with less stress. It's a system that anyone can apply, whether at work or in personal life, to create a more organized and fulfilling day-to-day experience. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.